Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken green salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of mixed greens, 2 cups of cooked chicken, and a selection of crisp vegetables like cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. For the dressing, prepare a simple vinaigrette using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure your chicken is fully cooked and cooled before you begin. Now let's get our main components ready. Take your 2 cups of cooked chicken and either shred it or dice it into small, manageable pieces. Next, wash and chop all your fresh vegetables, aiming for consistent sizes so every bite is perfect. Remember to thoroughly dry your 6 cups of mixed greens. This step is crucial for a crisp salad that holds its dressing well. A salad spinner works wonders here. It's time to bring everything together. In a large salad bowl, combine your 6 cups of dried mixed greens, the 2 cups of shredded or diced chicken, and all your beautifully chopped vegetables. Just before serving, drizzle your homemade vinaigrette over the top. Use about 4 tablespoons of dressing, adjusting to your preference. Gently toss the salad to ensure every ingredient is evenly coated, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Your delicious chicken green salad is now ready to be enjoyed. For the freshest experience, serve it immediately. Feel free to customize your salad with additional toppings. A 1/4 cup of toasted almonds or a sprinkle of sunflower seeds can add a wonderful crunch. You might also try adding a tablespoon of fresh dill or parsley for an aromatic twist. Don't hesitate to experiment with different dressings to make this recipe uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.